Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Draining down 3 gas-fired water heaters, and I have my drain hose connected. I use cable ties here, they're doing the trick. Ideally, Jubilee clips are best suited for a more safer, strong connection. So we have our connection open. You see the secondary return running up to here. This is our cold water inlet, and this is our valve on our cold water inlet, isolated. Up here we have our hot water outlet. It's linked to the other systems. Down here we have our secondary return. Secondary return runs round, comes back up to here. Up here we have our connection, which I used to aid me in my drain down as a vent point. Outside we have our gas-fired water heater still draining down. I started draining down just before 9 AM. It's coming up to 10:30. I'm expecting it to be completely drained now or within the next half an hour. I might be wrong, but that's usually how long it takes me, about 2 hours to drain down a gas-fired water heater. It's a Hamworthy DRLA. So this is the unit, 111 kilowatts, 265 litres. Alright, until next time, bye bye bye.